Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to download and install Fortnite on computer. Follow these steps. First of all, open a browser on your computer and open Epic Game website. And now we need to download Epic Game app launcher. So click on download. Once it's downloaded, now just click on the installer to run installation. Once the Epic Game installed on your computer, launch it and sign into your Epic Game account. And now click on this search store box and here type Fortnite. Search for it. And here you'll find the Fortnite. Click on it. And now we have to install the Fortnite and it's free. Just click on Get. Check this box and click on Accept. And click on Place Order. And click on View in Library. And here again click on Fortnite. And now you can change the Fortnite installation location from here. And if you want to enable auto update, check this and click on install. Check this box, accept. And here we can see Fortnite is installing on my computer. It may take some time to finish the downloading process. And here we can see the Fortnite size is 44.5 gigabyte. Once it's installed, you will get the Fortnite launcher on your desktop. By clicking on the launcher, you will be able to play Fortnite on your computer. So this is how we can install Fortnite on computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.